What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. So Focused Marketing and Promotions, Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. All right, so for everybody that's just now tuning into this channel, what we do, we focus on one product at a time. It could be anywhere from a range of electronics to what you see on the table to tools, housewares, whatever. That's why we call it Tech and Lifestyle channel. So, boom, what we got today, we got a product for the, I guess you could call them the quote unquote weekend warriors, people who like to get stuff done around the house. You know, you're not trying to call, somebody to come fix your, whether you changing like an alternator in your car or you just, doing something average, hanging a picture, hanging a mirror, you know, anything you're doing in your house, changing pipes under your sink, just stuff you'd like to do, you handy around your house. It's always good to have a good toolkit on deck. All right, this right here, I got it off of Amazon. I think the price was around $80 to $90. I'll put the link in the description below. So if you like it by the end of the video, you go ahead and cop it. If not, just sit back and be entertained. All right, so this right here, no name brand, no nothing. It was made in China. I'm gonna leave that right there. All right, made in China. 205 piece hand tool kit. Lifetime guarantee on it. Let's see what we get in the box. All right. Oh, sorry about that. All right, let's see what we get in the box. So you got 12-piece combination wrench, 24 pieces the hex key and wrench, 1 piece 6 long nose pliers, 1 piece 8 adjustable wrench, 1 piece screwdriver bit holder, 28 pieces quarter sockets, 16 pieces half sockets, 1 piece 3/8 extension bar, 1 piece quarter 3/8 adapter, 2 pieces half spark sprocket, 5/8, 13 and 16, 1 piece blow case, 12 pieces nut driver socket, 1 piece 8 groove joint pliers, 1 piece 6 diagonal cutting pliers, 4 piece screwdriver set, 72 piece screwdriver bit. They got the 25 millimeter in length, 22 piece 3/8 socket, 2 piece quarter extension bar, 2-inch and a 4-inch, 1 piece half-inch extension bar, 5 inches, 1 piece quarter bit connector, and you got 3 pieces quick ratchet handle. All right. So like I said, this is for the weekend warrior. You just, trying to get things done around the house. Handy toolkit. You don't always want to, pull stuff out the garage if you're fortunate to have a garage. You want to just carry this hand toolkit around. You can even leave this in a car if you get down like that, If you're fixing, the alternator in your car, changing the power steering pump, changing the belt on your car, the AC belt, you fixing the AC compressor in your car, all that. Me, I bought this because I just like having my stuff in one area. I hate looking for ratchets. I hate looking for the size. I hate looking for the wrenches. Hate looking for, a screwdriver when I need one. I like this because this keeps it all in one place. And you just, as long as you put your tools back when you're working on it, you good money. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get into this right now. 205 piece hand tool kit, all in one packaging. All right, let's get into it. So for those that's just tuning into the channel, I appreciate y'all joining. Do whatever you want to do, subscribe, whatever people say on these channels. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully these videos that I'm doing can help people out. If you're looking for toolkits, phones, whatever you're looking for, go back and watch my videos. If you're just tuning in, you might see something you like. 205 pieces. Keep that in mind. This thing is super heavy. So, really heavy, this thing. When it came in the box today, I was like, damn, I didn't even expect it to be like that. But it is what it is. So let me see if I got this. I think I'm gonna have it upside down, but whatever. We'll figure it out. All right, before I open it, let me show you what's going on. Nice durable hard case. And like I said, you could carry this thing around. So you keep it in the garage, you carry it in the house, you bring it back out to the garage, you keep it in your car, you got a nice rubber handle, you walk around with it. You want to take it, you want to take it to your spot where you're going to fix something out, you're hanging the TV, you're doing this, you're doing that. Nice portable handle for you to carry it around. All right. Has two latches on the top right here. It has a latch, two latches here. Unhook those like that. Then it has two more on the bottom right here. Let's see if I got it right on the first try. Yep, I got it right. All right, cool. Move that over. And we're going to open it up. Here's what you get in the box. Let me open this up a little bit. All right. Let me just adjust this. Boom. So this is everything you get. Just like that. These came out. We'll fix this up real quick. Those are your hex screws. These are your sprockets. Those go there. And like that. Some stuff came out during transit, but it is what it is. Put all that stuff back. Y'all get the idea. Like I said, you keep all your stuff together. And, like I said, I bought mine out of necessity. I just wanted to have all my stuff together. I hate doing a project and having to go around looking for everything. I like to have my stuff all right there with this. Take it outside, working on the car, working on your air conditioner outside your house. Sorry about that. Working on your air conditioner outside your house. Whatever you're working on. You get back in focus real quick. All right, whatever you're working on, you just got all your tools handy right in front of you. Got your wrench right there. Everything that I read, Got your extension bar, which is important when you, changing the belt on your car, let's say. You got another extension. Everything together. You got all your ratchets. All your heavy duty. You got your big ratchet, heavy duty one. Your medium size one. You got your smaller one for, like your regular small projects or whatever you need it for. You got all your hex keys. These always come in handy. If you got tools laying around, everybody got these laying around in the house, but it comes with two of them. You got this right here. This is usually good for changing the tires on your car. For like most, I would say, like American cars or whatever, you could change your tires. Sometimes this is the one that you need, on regular cars. Most American cars, I should say. You got your needle nose pliers. You got your wire cutters. These are very important right here. You got all of this. You got this right here. So what you use this for right here, if I could get it out, You put all of these, like your little bolts and stuff. You just add them right inside there. You rock out like that. And it's magnetic. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's magnetic right there. All right? Like I said, organization when you're working on projects is everything. Get you frustrated if you can't find that one little tool to take that last screw off, to take that last bolt off. Right here, you take this outside and you got everything with you. You're not running back and forth to the garage. You're not running back and forth to AutoZone or Advanced Auto or whatever it is. Trust me, I bought this thing right here out of necessity. I like to have all my stuff together. I'm not looking for, different things. Everything is here, ready to go. You work on your project, you put them back where they go, and you just close it up and you rock out again. Needle nose pliers. You got your star screwdriver. You got your flathead screwdriver. They go down pretty tight inside so they don't come out. Then you got your long star screwdriver, and you got another long flathead screwdriver. Another thing that this is good for, like if you got kids around the house or whatever, and you tell them like you working outside, you doing something, and you tell them, oh, go get me the, needle nose pliers, or, go get me the flathead screwdriver. You teach them about this, tools quick. It helps you out. You working in the inside, you need something from the outside, you tell your kid or whatever, go get me the needle nose plier. Boom. They pull this back. They bring this back. They don't bring that back. And then you got to go out and get it yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure somebody out there feel my frustration with that, It is what it is. You got all your wrenches, all on the top right there. You got all your sockets. These are all like really sizes that you're going to need doing like average jobs around the house. Your medium-sized your small sockets, your medium-sized sockets, and all your big sockets on the bottom. This is tough. You got your pliers. You got your like I said, your sockets right here. I'll go through these real quick. You got your sockets. 3/16 quarter, 932, 5/16, 1132, 3/8, 5mm, 6mm, 7mm, 8mm, 9 and 10mm socket. You got everything right here that you need. These are great for, getting those sockets off. I know I keep referencing cars or whatever, but, that's what I really, work on, stuff like that. So you got everything here. Taking those, those last sockets off. So you would take that out right there. You could either put it in here to screw it out like that, or you just add it to one of the other sockets and you just rock out like that. Get those little sockets out like that, those deep bolts, and you just rock out like that, man. A lot of good stuff in here. Like I said, $80 to $90. I think it was like $84. Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description below if you're interested. Again, 205-piece hand tool repair kit for the weekend warriors out there, people who like to get stuff done without calling a repairman. Anything you need, I'm going to just make this disclaimer real quick. Anything you need, well, I'm going to say anything I need. If I could find it on YU meaning YouTube University, I'm gonna try to fix it myself before I call, a plumber, electrician, whatever. Again, disclaimer, I don't suggest you doing none of this yourself. If you're not handy, if you just want to call somebody, call somebody. But anybody who, whether, let's say you own a house, you know how it is when you call somebody and you want to get something done. It's good. Let's just say this. It's good quality people. And then there's people that's going to just try to charge you off the rip. There's no in between. You got the bad contractors and you got the good contractors. This is just my opinion. Whatever it is, take it for what it is. All right. So I go to YU first. Again, that's YouTube University. I type it in. And like I said, anything you need to do is on YouTube. Anything. You want to change the alternator in your car? Type in, let's say you got a 1994 Honda Accord. 1994 Honda Accord, change alternator. That's going to pop up. You watch a couple of videos on it, boom, you can change it. Let's say you got an air conditioner, outside air conditioner. You want to change the capacitor inside. Type it in. Outside AC, if you got the model number to help also, change the outside AC capacitor. Boom. Now you got your AC up and running again. It's going to take you some time, but listen, if it's going to save you $200, $300, $400 just for them to come out and look at the AC, do it yourself, man. Invest in a nice toolkit. Like I said, you're not buying this, you're investing in it. Because this investment is going to turn things around. You're going to be able to fix your car. You're going to be able to fix your AC. You're going to be able to probably change, do some light plumbing work in your house. You're going to be able to, what else? Fix some electronics, take things apart, hang mirrors, hang pictures, whatever it is, that you will call somebody on the outside for. You're going to make an investment in yourself, and you're going to invest in this toolkit. And this investment right here is going to come back to you tenfold, because now you're not throwing money out. You're doing the project yourself. And you know what I'm saying? YouTube University. Go to it. Anything that you need to be done is on there. I'm telling you. Hanging the TV, wall mounting the TV. Most people spend money because they just don't either have the time or they don't have the knowledge to do it. Once you find the time and once you find the knowledge to do it, you can do anything you want, within your house or within your apartment, within your condo, whatever it is, your tenant's house. Just find the time, get the knowledge, watch a couple of videos, watch like 5 or 6 videos on whatever topic you trying to work on, and just fix it yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you can't fix it yourself, you're going to know within the first 5 or 10 minutes, oh, this is a little bit out of my league. Let me call somebody. You know what I'm saying? So you could do it that way and just rock out like that. Like I said, you're not buying this. This is an investment. That's what you're investing in yourself. And just start looking at things like that. You're not buying this. You're investing in yourself. And then just like that, once you get done, you fix it. You feel good about yourself. Now you just learn something new. Now, if somebody ever asks you, now you got knowledge. Oh, I did that before. Oh, I fixed that capacitor in my outside AC before. Oh, I changed my alternator in my car before. Oh, I changed the belt in my car before. Or I changed the power steering pump in my car before. Or I hung a TV in my house before. I wall mounted it myself. Came out straight and everything. All right? So, like I said, this is a good investment. I'm going to leave the link down to the description below. If you like it, go cop it. If not, tell a friend. They might need it. Suggest it to them. And invest. All right? Again, YouTube University. Anything you need on YouTube is there. Before you go spending your money, and this is not a knock to nobody, outside or anything, but listen, if you own a house, you own a condo, you like to get stuff done because you got to pay those bills. And even if you got a rent, even if you're in an apartment and you pay rent or whatever you're doing to maintain your cost of living in your house, why not invest in a toolkit that you could do everything in your house? Not everything, but some things in your house yourself instead of calling somebody. It makes perfect sense to invest. So invest in this toolkit. If not, pass it along to somebody else that might need it. And it is what it is. All right? I'm So Focused. Thank you for checking out another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions. Tech and Lifestyle channel. SOFOCUSED.BIZ is the website. If you want any merch, go shop over there. Leaving the affiliate. Well, I'm leaving the link for the Amazon if you want to cop this. The link in the description below if you want to cop it. The link, click on the link below. All right, that's the end of this video. Like I say at the end of every video, 3 things in life you got to remember: trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.